Welcome to Las Vegas Modern Kung Fu channel. This is Shifu JJ. I'm very excited to tell you that we just got 5,000 subscribers for our channel. Thank you very much for your support. Now, I'm so serious about online teaching on YouTube. This program is designed learning Kung Fu at small space. It's a continual version of learning Kung Fu at home to bring you from beginning level until advanced level. In this program, we have two requirements. The first one, you need to have a strong decision. You have a commitment. You want to have achievement in Kung Fu. The second requirement, you're willing to have hard work. You're prepared for sweat. You're prepared for sore muscle. But you don't give up. Many people, they are so happy and motivated when they start learning Kung Fu, but they quit at the second step or third step, or halfway over the learning. Because it's hard. Because you lost the motivation. But I tell you the truth is, no one can keep your motivation all the time. It's okay sometimes to lose your motivation, that's normal, but you can use your willpower to stay strong, to keep going, you will get a result. And every morning you wake up, you're telling yourself, this is a new beginning. And reset yourself back to zero. Look back yesterday, you're better than yesterday, you'll be best version of yourself. And this is all matter. Let's start, my friend. This is the Tiger Kung Fu. Let's go. Jumping jack 10 times. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great. So follow me now for the Tiger Walk. Put your hand on your waist. Make a half circle. Let your toe and heel down. And come back. Half circle left. Toe and your heel. And repeat 10 times with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. With more speed, power. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Right, great work. Let's do a squat with me 10 times. Cross your both hands and go down. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 9, and 10. Alright, great work. So let's continue to achieve the Tiger Kung Fu with me. Get ready. Hand on the waist and go. 1, and 2, and you're straight. Your hand lifts from your waist all the way to your shoulder, and this one on top. Then you push down to horse stance. This is the number 4 move. So let's follow me 10 times. Okay, ready? And go. 1, and 2, and sway all the way up and push down. That's great. One more time. Ready? Go. 1, and 2, and sway all the way up and push down with your horse stance. Okay, great work. Let's do 5 more with me. Ready? Go. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and come back. Go. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Great. Put more power and speed with me, my friend. Go. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Great. 2 more. Ready? And go. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. One last one. Get ready. Go. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Okay, great work. Let's put both hands, knee switch. Go. 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great work, my friend. Yeah, ready. So make a step, a shape size like your shoulder, and make 1.5. Make sure your toes are straight and put both hands on your waist and go down. And make a flat level and your both knee go up. Stay strong, back straight, and put your tiger hand up front. Okay, let's count 20 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Okay, great work. Very well. So let's do 20 times. Put both hands and you toss your hand. Go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, great work. Continue the Tiger Kung Fu. And ready. And go. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. And become single finger. You go left and go right. Okay, great. Let's do 5 times with me. Right, get this done. Go, get ready. Go 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. A single finger left and right. Okay, great. Let's do again. Go 1, and 2, 3, and 4. A single finger 1, 2. Perfect. 3 more. Attention. Ready. Go 1, and 2, and 3, and power. Single finger 1, and 2. Perfect. 4. And ready. Go 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Single finger left and right. Perfect. Let's do one more time. And ready. Go 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Single finger 1, 2. Perfect. Very good. So let's do 5 times. Jump. Touch your knees. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Straight tiger hand technique. You need to know the palm. Put your fingers all together and make your thumb yin. This is the palm. And your power out outside of your palm. So in this lesson, we will learning push palm and 按掌 and push down. This is the tiger palm. The second one, you need to know the single finger. The single finger to make your fingers all together. And you bend all fingers and leave this one straight and your thumb in like this. So this is the single finger. So we need to use it today for the lesson 1. Of course, you need to know how to make the tiger claw. The tiger claw, you make all the fingers bending and tight with power. Leave a little space between each fingers and the thumb in just right there. This is tiger claw. Almost achieved the Tiger Kung Fu lesson 1 today. Let's go. And ready. Go 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6. So your single finger go up above your shoulder and come back your waist and slow with your power and push. Okay, great work. Let's do 5 times with me. And ready. Go 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Single finger left and right. And go up and go down and push from your waist slow with power and push. Okay, great work. 4 more. And ready. Go 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Power. Okay, great. 3 more. And ready. Go 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, great. 1 more. And ready. Go 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, great work. Shake off your hand, your leg. Okay, come back for tiger horse stance training. 10 seconds with me. Remember that? Ready. And make a start. Same size like your shoulder. And make 1.5. Toe straight and double hand like tiger hand. And go down. Perfect. Make sure this is flat. Your knee go outside. Toe straight. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Jumping jack 10 times. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, my friend, are you sweat? That's how we're training. That's how we make you stronger. Let's go. And ready, behind the waist, and go 1, and 2, and 3, up, and 4, go down, and 5, left, and right, and go up, and go down, and go push, and pull, and your both hand become palm, right there, right on the top, left under, and you go twist down, left on top, and right under. Now you come back, your waist, and both palm push. Okay, great. So let's do 5 times with me to achieve this one, right? Okay, go 1 step, and 2, and go 3, and go 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 9, and 10, and 11, right on top, and switch it up, and come back your waist, and push. Okay, great work. Let's do 4 more. And ready, go 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Great work. Let's do 3 more with me. Go. And ready, go 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, turn, back, push. Great work. 2 more. Ready, go, start, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Alright, great work. 1 more. And ready, go 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14. Alright, we gotta go in next part. Almost there. Great work. First done training 5 seconds with me. Right, attention, and ready, and make step. Same size like your shoulder, and do 1.5, and double tiger hand, and go down. Make sure flat level and your both knee go outside your toes straight. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Great work. Ready, so go 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, and 11, left hand under, and rotate, and come back, your waist, and your left hand on top, and right hand go punch, and after that, your both hand become a tiger hand, come back to your waist, and you get up, and you jump, you go punch, and both hand, a tiger clap. Okay, great, let's do 5 times, and ready, go 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11, and 12, and 13, and 14, and come back both hands, and 15, and finish with 4 more step by step. Okay, get ready, go 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13, and 14. Protect and punch. Come back, both hand and tiger hand. Great work. Let's do 2 more. Attention and ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Very nice. 1 more. Attention and ready. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yeah, 15. Right, great work. Let's do 1 last time. 10 times jumping jack. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Alright, good work. Okay, my friend, if you want to as good as like me, you have to training as hard as like me. If you want to become a champion, you have to training like something. Alright, my friend. So that's all for today. The Tiger Hand Kung Fu Lesson 1. This is a real class. You have to follow me from the beginning until the end with the numbers training, with the conditioning to make you strong like tiger. A lot of training we required. You have strong leg and strong waist. For the next lesson, the lesson 2, we will be see more about the technique and basics and also the conditioning, how to strong your waist and your leg. And thank you very much. I love you all. We finished on 爆。同学们再见。You should answer me. 老师再见。I see you in next video.